Waterfalls. Yes.
Look at that face on you. That's what I'm chasing you. I got things to do. And you're one of them. No TLC. Little waterfall chasing. Little feminine tasting. Ain't nothing wrong with that, is it? It's up. So, I'm still chasing. In your face, in the basement of my headspace oasis. And this world is a desert. And you look at my desert. Oh, you don't take me for a free bird. To my old ways, I'm a revert. So I had to be a dog. But that ain't my style. I don't feel like writing about it now. I want to howl. I want to smile. I want to howl, or you. When you reply, response. See your eyebrow when you get anxious, slight nuance. Look how things go, see how things flow. Later on, I get a number and I can call. We can do the man and woman thing. And I'll make your waterfall.